today I got the Mavic Air 2, as you can see. Compliments of DJI giving us this box, this unit for the unboxing. As you can see, got the Mavic Air 2, not just any Mavic Air 2, we got the Fly More combo, all included in the box. So the first thing I've noticed here is it's actually quite heavy, right? It's got some weight to it. Obviously it's not the Mavic Mini, right? Because you have a lot more stuff in here and it is a heavier drone. So if you go to just the back, actually, if you go to the front, you can see that the first thing that you notice is you got the big travel case. You got on the left side here, you got a bunch of propellers. You also have the drone there, you got the remote, right? You got the 2 extra batteries. You also have the charging hub, as you can see here. So essentially, it is your Fly More combo, right? You got, if you go to the back, you have the battery to power bank adapter, which is this right here. You have the charging hub, right? That's correct. As you can see, it's right here, right? You can't see it from here, but you have a power cable and you also have a power adapter that they're not showing. And you also have USB cables, okay? So you are getting quite a bit here, right? So maybe you could see from here, right? You got the travel bag, the aircraft, the remote controller, right? The 3 RCs that you normally get, okay? And you got the flight battery, okay? So you got 3 of those. You also have the charging hub, battery to power bank adapter. I was saying earlier, you got 6 pairs of propellers, so that's 2.5 sets, all in all. Control 6, manual, and here's something interesting. You have the ND filters. So as you can see in the front, you have 3 right there, okay? Let's kind of switch over to the front view a little bit, okay? Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a opening. Yeah, so I'm just gonna open from this side here. Easy access. Okay. Real slow and steady. Just like when I was opening the Mini. It's just as nice and smooth. So now